Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Trello free, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Trello for free, begin by visiting the Trello website at trello.com. On the home page, locate the sign up button in the top right corner and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click Get Started. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Trello. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Trello website to complete your registration. Now, create a password for your account. After entering your password, click the button to proceed. You'll then be asked if you want to opt into any communication preferences. Make your selections and click Continue. Next, you may be prompted to choose a workspace name. Enter your desired workspace name and click Create Workspace. Once your workspace is created, you will be taken to your Trello dashboard. Here, you can create your first board by clicking on the Create New Board option. Enter a name for your board and select its visibility settings. You can choose between private, workspace visible, or public. Once you have made your selections, click Create Board. Congratulations, you now have a Trello board set up. Explore the various features by adding lists and cards to organize your projects. Customize your board further by adding members, labels, and due dates as necessary. You're now fully activated and ready to utilize Trello for free. Feel free to continue exploring Trello's features and integrations to enhance your productivity. Enjoy managing your tasks and collaborations effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.